Hey there again, it's Erica with The Educated System. In this video, we're going to look at how to make a distorted video using Photo Booth on a Mac and Snap Camera. As many of you are aware, I have several videos talking about how to make escape rooms, and in some of my demonstration videos and some of the escape rooms that I sell on my Teachers Pay Teachers store, I'll make sure to link it below. But I use some distorted videos of myself kind of guiding some of the players through the process. And with that in mind, a lot of the people that either watch my video or purchase my escape rooms ask me how they can make their own custom distorted video with the different filters. So in this video, again, I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. I'm using Photo Booth on a Mac for this demonstration. And of course, this can be used for other creative projects as well.
Welcome to the escape room. Your mission today is to find out how to escape each room, solve each puzzle, and move on to the next room. I'm sure you will do well.
The Photo Booth app is also available on the iPad for iOS. But again, for this demonstration, I'm showing my version, which is an older version, on the Mac. Here, when you open up Photo Booth, you'll be greeted with a video screen. Next, you need to click on Effects. So you'll find it in my version again on the bottom right side corner of the screen window. And here we're just going to shuffle through all of the different filters that are available on Photo Booth. If you find the video filter that you want to use for your project, all you have to do is click on the video button on the bottom left, and then you're going to click the record button. For those of you who don't have Photo Booth or a Mac, you can always use a free app called Snap Camera. I did a full video on it. I'll make sure to link it here. But here are some filters that I found that could stand in as an alternate, or actually are a little bit cooler than the ones that I have on Photo Booth. Check it out. So those were a few that you can use to add to your escape room experience. Of course, you can record it directly from the Snap Camera app or the application through the computer. I'm using a Mac again. So as you see, you can just click on Take Video and record your filtered video for use. Again, you can use this on a PC or a Mac, so you have plenty of opportunities. So that's it for this video. We looked at how to make a distorted video using the Photo Booth application on a MacBook. You can also use Snap Camera, which is a free download from the internet to your device. So you can check that out on your own time, or you can check the Play Store or iOS Store or Apple Store, and you can also find other applications that will allow you to distort yourself using different filters. So what we're going to do in this series of videos is, after looking at the distorted video tutorial, we're going to go to the voice clip. So how did I distort my voice? I will show you that in the next video, so I'll make sure to link it here in the end cards. Then we're going to look at how to add music as a layer, and then we'll look at how to edit everything once you're done. So once again, this is Erica with The Educated System. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any comments about the process of making these distorted videos, or if you have any questions. Also, make sure to check out my Teachers Pay Teachers store that will be linked below if you're interested in purchasing a template, a Google Form template, to make your own escape room. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.